Hello guys, we are back again with a new informative video. In this video, you will be able to know about the stocks which are currently performing well in the market and available at important buying levels from where we can buy and take high rewarding profits from these stocks. We will suggest you top 5 stocks only which can give a high reward in future. So let's begin the video guys. Our first stock is Eris Life Sciences. Eris Life Sciences Limited is a publicly listed Indian pharmaceutical company and a leading player in the domestic branded formulation market. According to the management, IL is ranked 21st in the Indian pharmaceutical market and has a strong distribution network across India with over 2,000 stockists, 3,669 field force and over 5 lakh chemists. If we talk about these technicals, then chart on the screen clearly shows a strong buying base is built near 1300. If it starts closing above 1380, then buyers will be active and its target may be 1520 and 1680. Note it that this stock will face a high resistance near 1380 to 1400. High volume bars indicates institutionals buying heavily in the stock. So if you feel safe, then you can take risk. Our second stock is Lupin. Lupin Limited is a multinational pharmaceutical company that develops, produces and markets a range of healthcare products, a leading global manufacturer of generic medicines with a presence in more than 100 countries, a key supplier to global bodies and governments in more than 70 countries. If we talk about its technicals, then chart shows on screen shows clearly that this stock has made a strong support zone near 240, 2030 to 2240 is a buyer stop loss area. High probability that this stock will be hold this level because there is a divergence in volume, which is a good sign. We don't know about volume divergence, so your support, then we will try to make a special video on this topic. The short term target will be 2430, 2610 and 2800. Our third stock is Bhansali Engineering Polymers. Bhansali Engineering Polymers Limited is engaged in manufacturing and sale of ABS resins, AES resins, SA resins, SAN resins and their alloys with other plastics. If we talk about its technical, then we can clearly see on the chart shown on screen that a strong base is formed at 140. 135 to 150 was a strong resistance earlier, but this level will act as a strong support now. Follow daily chart and 1 hour time frame and take buying risk. Its target may be 240 and 330, but should hold our given support level. Our fourth stock is IPCA Laboratories. IPCA Laboratories Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company based in Mumbai. It produces theobromine, acetylopine and V-bromotoluene as active pharmaceutical ingredients. IPCA sells these APIs and their ingredients globally. If we talk about its technicals, we notice a cup and handle which gives a high reward and now trading at lifetime high. But remember one thing, that high have no limitations. This stock is ready for further upside targets 1720 and 2100, but hold it with patience. Our fifth stock is Cipla. Cipla is a pharmaceutical company that develops and manufactures medicines for a variety of medical conditions: respiratory disease, cardiovascular disease, arthritis, diabetes, depression and pediatric conditions. Cipla work includes developing new drug delivery system, supporting infrastructure for API and formulation development, strengthening platform technologies and producing generics and complex APIs. If we talk about its technical, chart shown on screen clearly shows this share is trading in a long channel from many months. If it comes near 1710 and makes any bear trap, then a sharp up move is possible and target may be 1900 and 2100. Viewers who don't know what is bear trap, go and watch our top 5 stocks to buy in September video. In that video we have explained about this topic. This video link is also available in the description of this video. This stock has a strong support near 1580. Note, any aggressive buying is not advised in this stock. First watch market behavior, then take decisions after getting satisfied with our analysis. At last, if you liked our video, then share with your friends and subscribe our channel to get updated with our every informative video which may be very helpful for you. Note, our suggested stocks are only for learning purpose. If you want to invest, analysis by yourself or take advice from any financial advisor, meet you again soon with other knowledgeable topic. Thank you.